welcome to Princess Fun Place. Today, Peppa's going to the farm, and she's never been to the farm. She's so excited, and they always have to eat their breakfast. And look what they have for breakfast. Yummy! They have orange juice too, and they have fruits. And look what else they have. They have their own refrigerator, and look what they have in their refrigerator. So they're not going to eat what they have in their refrigerator. They're going to eat what they have on the table. If they don't, they'll have to go hungry. Because Mommy Pig's not taking any snacks. So let's get started because I'm so excited. Kids, wake up and put your clothes on. George, it's time to wake up. We have our breakfast, but first we have to dress up. Hey kids, don't forget to wash your teeth. Okay, Mama. We're all finished. Let's go eat our breakfast. So George is eating on the front side, and he's gonna face Peppa. So Peppa's on the back side. They're gonna gobble up our food. I'm all done, Mama. Me too. Then let's go to the farm. Daddy Pig, why don't you go with us? Oh, because I'm so tired. I have to watch some TV. Okay. Well, then we're on our way. We're going to be on our way in 5 minutes. Or probably in 1. Okay, kids, have fun. We will, Daddy Pig. We're going down the hill. Kids, we're here. Yay! I'm going to take out Peppa first today. Yay! Oh, come on, little Georgie. Hi, everyone. I'm Old McDonald. Would you like to check out my farm? Yes, we do. Hooray, hooray, hooray for that. Would you like to see my animals? This is Lucky. My horse is Lucky. No. He's so nice. I can pet him. Go back in, Lucky. There you go. This is Belle. She is a girl. She's so sweet. Aww. She even has her own little bell. Ding, 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 ding. Go in, back bell. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Who else do you have? Well, this is my pet sheep. His name is Frank. And he loves people. He even likes to lick them. Oh, sheep, sheep, sheep. Yay. Bah, bah. Oh, hello, Mrs. Sheep. I mean, Mr. Sheep. Ooh. Let's do it from the other way. And this is my pig. Her name is Laila. Would you come out for me, Laila? I'm Piggy. Hey, we're piggies too! special Saturdays. Like when you don't have your ballet class, okay? Okay, only on those Saturdays. Hop back in, Laila. What is up there? Oh, that is my chicken named Cockle-Doodle-Doo. That's his name, everyone. And she can really sing. Yay, that's amazing. But Mommy, I have something I think I really want to do. What is it, Peppa? What is it? Oh, it's climbing up a pumpkin and then jumping into hay. Do you like that? Yeah, me and George love that. Then go on, Peppa and George. Yay! That is so much fun. I love the hay. Oh, let's jump him again. Yay, yay, yay. Whee! It's so much fun. Let's go up. Yay! Whee! One more time. Yay! Kids, it's time to go home. Oh, I don't want to go home, but I know it's lunchtime if we have to go home. It is, kids. Now, let's go. Goodbye, Belle and Lucky. We'll see you soon. Goodbye, Old McDonald. Goodbye, Frank. Goodbye, Laila. Goodbye, Cockle-Doodle-Doo. I almost fell in my seat. Oh, George, you're so funny. We're going down the hill. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, everybody. Bye. I hope you like this video. And all of you know, it's like a farm season. And if you are at the farm today, that is so good. Or if you already been at the farm, or yesterday you were